Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Huawei Y6 2019, for the first you have to open the Bluetooth, the notification bar, and click on the Bluetooth icon. Click and hold it. Right now we are in Bluetooth settings, so tap on the switcher to activate the Bluetooth and do the same on the second smartphone. So right now we are looking for one of the device. Let's check on which will be faster with the available devices. And as you can see on this smartphone we got our Huawei Y6 2019, so let's click on it. Accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now our smartphones are paired. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.